Hey guys, how are you today? We're gonna unbox something small. It's an USB-C wall charger. And you're asking yourself, why is he unboxing a wall charger? Who buys a wall charger? Maybe only if you break it. No, it's because this new iPhone 12 Pro came only with a cable in the box and no wall charger. And that's why you need this. Let's open it up and see the quality of this product compared to an Apple quality. This PUREGEAR light speed, they say, was bought from Verizon. The person that was helping us said it should be as good as the Apple products. And this is it. Looks white, but it has the PUREGEAR logo on it, and fairly the same size. It even looks bigger actually than the old Apple ones. And you just, ooh, this is hard to open, so, but maybe because it's the first time. Yeah, second time around it was much easier. So you just snap it open, and I guess for packing when you're traveling, to save some space, just snap it in, which is a nice feature to have, especially if you're traveling a lot. It is a 5-volt charger, just like regular. Nothing much to say about this, except maybe show you guys how it actually works. So you plug in the USB-C type cable, other end at your phone, and the wall. I know a lot of you guys will buy the new iPhone, and I'm sure when the iPhone 13 comes out, you probably get that one as well, or upgrade to that one, and you're gonna need a wall charger. Maybe you're using only your wireless charger, and if you guys wanted to check out a wireless charger instead, go to my YouTube channel, Unboxi, and this video will be coming out shortly. So here you go, the PUREGEAR Lightspeed wall charger, USB-C. I know for sure at some point I'm gonna be using it, so I want to have it handy. And if you're interested to see what I have to say about this iPhone, again, go to the channel, you'll find the video is already up there, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. Stay positive.